Here's another one-pot pasta recipe, one-pot chicken and mushroom fettuccine Alfredo.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a large saucepan that's nice and deep and wide. You're going to place half of a large onion in there sliced up, 4 ounces of mushrooms sliced up, about 2 tablespoons of fresh basil that's been chopped, between 14 to 16 ounces of fettuccine noodles, and these are uncooked, and then half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Then add in 2.5 cups of chicken stock and 1.5 cups of heavy cream or half and half. And then you're going to start stirring this over medium-high heat, and then I realized I forgot my chicken in this chicken Alfredo. So I added in 2 cups of cooked chicken that's been diced. Now bring this to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. You can cover it. Make sure you stir it quite frequently because you don't want that pasta to stick together. Continue to stir. Taste your pasta after about, say, 10-12 minutes. And if the pasta is not done and if there's not enough liquid in the bottom, add some more chicken stock. I added about an additional entire cup of chicken stock to this before the pasta was at the texture that I liked. And then I added in about 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I gave it a stir until the Parmesan melted, and then you are ready to serve it. This is really, really good. Of course, you can add some additional fresh basil as a garnish on top, but it makes a nice quick meal that gets put together in between 15 and 20 minutes with ingredients you may already have sitting in your refrigerator, especially if you have some leftover rotisserie chicken. Hope you give this one a try. Now I have other really great one-pot pasta recipes on my channel. I've put them in the playlist. If you want to see this playlist, it'll be on your screen and it'll also be in the description box. Thank you for watching.